Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew the two captive screws with the keyboard symbol underneath them. Flip the device back over and open it up. And with your thumbs placed on the sides of the keyboard, apply an upward pressure to push the keyboard underneath the palm rest. This should pop the tabs free from the bottom, and you may be able to remove it with just your fingers, but if necessary, use a spudger to remove it the rest of the way. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the new keyboard into the motherboard. And slide the top of the keyboard back underneath the palm rest. Using a downward pressure, pull the keyboard back towards you so that the tabs go back into their palm rest slots. Close the device and flip it back over. And tighten those two captive screws.